Alright, back on the line. Got the flight number 2 of the eFlite P-51. This is a 1.2 meter size. Coming out on a 4S China hobby battery. 2200. You really got to give it quite a bit. There's the gears coming up. You really got to give it quite a bit of rudder to keep it going straight down the runway. A lot of torque roll on this one. Alright, sir, I'll stay left until you get up. You up? All right. Feels like my left wing, or excuse me, my right wing is still dropping a little bit. Need to give a little left aileron.
I'll tell you that.
All right. You haven't even tried. That's glad you said that. I never tried this one on the maiden with the flaps.
I did a rollover and brought her back around, and before you talk about the loom, I might have had too much throttle. We haven't blown in over a month, I don't think.
Oh, for me, it's been every bit of that. Yeah, I just tried my flaps on this one and I had no ballooning whatsoever, so it's good. Yeah, I was looking at mine. I haven't flown since April the 12th. Low pass.
Yeah, that's probably the last time I was out here. I got a new phone, finally.
Oh, you did?
Everything's new with me.
You kept the same number though, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, I've been testing on that. I got it about 2 weeks ago. Got a new TV.
Oh, you did? Nice.
Walmart had a big clearance sale. I bought a 2018 model. And
get one of those smart TVs so you can watch YouTube and Netflix and everything?
Oh yeah.
Good deal.
65 inch. And I'm really happy. We don't do a whole lot.
We don't either.
I thought, you know what, just go ahead and buy it. They had another model on sale that cost about $300 more, and I messed around and they sold out on it. But the model I got was the one that kind of got me into the buying mode. So I found one over Roof Snow at the end of the sale. It was buried in the where they have the TVs, where you can pick them up and buy them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Two TVs were in front of it. I just happened to see it and I looked at it and I thought, you know, just to go ahead and buy this one. I got so much to do anyway.
Right.
And it's really nice. Yeah, we had a 50-inch TV and this is 65, and it's like you can almost find in this one.
Yeah, it's what my wife wants to get. We've got a 50-inch currently, and it's a really old TV. I bought it probably, or the wife bought it actually, probably about 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So technologies has really improved. I'm going to try to land. gonna go around one more time.
Okay.
That's coming in a little fast for that.
Well, I got plenty of time on this because I got that extra good battery. I think I got it set for 5 minutes. So I'll probably come in behind you.
All right. Well, I'll try to do better this time then.
Oh, hey, I got 2 minutes to go. That's, you come in 3 or 4 times on that before I have to come in. I remember the first time I flew this thing, we flew it 7 minutes total. I couldn't believe it. And the battery still had another minute or 2 in it.
I'm down and taxiing back. I'm on the left inside
Okay.
portion if you got to land.
No, I'll take it back around. I'm gonna crash.
Don't do that till I
I
get
don't want to do that. You're right.
till I get turned around where I gonna film it.
Oh. I like that. I like that. That's good. This plane's just a real joy to fly, though. Remember I lost that screw on the landing gear on the Cub?
Yeah.
That clipped me? I couldn't find one last night.
Oh yeah.
I thought, I don't want to have to buy a whole screw set for $5 or something.
Yeah, that would be bad.
And I happen to think that Pete crashed his out here and got a replacement. He has one in parts. So I texted him last night and sent him a picture of where the screw was, and he just said, texted me back and said, I'll bring it. I got it.
Oh, good. He coming out this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So
I haven't talked to him since he was just fixing to retire out. I think he's cleaning out his desk that last time I seen him. So hopefully he's made a good transition.
oh yeah, they've been traveling.
That's still your number 2 plane?
Well, it's number 1 this morning.
No, I meant favorite.
Yeah, well, I'll show you my, oh, I think I did.
Look at that butter, smooth, man. Nice, Jim.
I'm still going boo boo.
Look at you. For a first time flying in a month, that's like, you couldn't get no better.